Did you know that heart disease is now the leading cause of death in the world? According to the World Health Organization, WHO, more than 17.9 million people die from cardiovascular-related diseases each year, accounting for nearly 32% of all global deaths. Sadly, many of these deaths are entirely preventable if we make changes to our lifestyle and diet. The good news is, studies from many of the world's top universities, such as Harvard, Stanford, and Johns Hopkins, have shown that a whole food, plant-based diet can not only prevent, but even reverse cardiovascular problems. So what makes a whole food, plant-based diet the golden key to protecting cardiovascular health? According to research from Harvard University, a plant-based diet reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 32%, thanks to its ability to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, improve blood pressure, and support the repair of the endothelium, an important membrane that protects blood vessels. Another study from Stanford University showed that people who follow this diet have a 25% lower risk of stroke than those who follow a conventional diet. These numbers are enough for us to ponder. Could our daily meal choices be the determining factor of our health for years to come? But it's not just about numbers. Our daily unhealthy eating habits are slowly damaging our bodies without us even realizing it. According to experts at Johns Hopkins University, processed foods, which contain refined oils and saturated fats, cause small cumulative damage to blood vessels. These damages silently develop into diseases like high blood pressure, stroke, and eventually heart disease, something we often think of as inevitable as we age. But did you know that simply cutting out some bad foods and replacing them with healthy ones can reverse this damage? Think of your body as a machine designed to last and thrive. A whole food plant-based diet is like clean fuel, keeping your body running smoothly and looking youthful from the inside out. Foods rich in green vegetables, whole grains, and nuts not only provide antioxidants, but also provide a natural source of energy to repair damaged cells. So, have you ever asked yourself, is my meal today helping my heart to be healthier, or is it adding more burden to it? This question is not only for yourself, but also for the loved ones around you. Today, we're going to explore how a whole food, plant-based diet can have major benefits for your heart health. And I'm not just going to talk about the theory, I'm going to share with you easy, delicious, heart-healthy recipes, simple steps you can take right now to love your body more. Are you ready to learn the secrets to a healthy heart? Let's start this journey together. 2. Benefits of a whole plant diet. The whole food plant-based diet is not a new trend, but a scientifically proven nutritional approach that offers remarkable benefits for heart health and overall health. So what makes it so special? Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Green vegetables, fruits, and nuts provide a large amount of antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E, polyphenols, and carotenoids. These substances help protect the endothelium of blood vessels, prevent free radical damage, and reduce inflammation, a major cause of atherosclerosis. For example, blueberries contain anthocyanins, which help improve blood vessel function and reduce the risk of stroke. Research from Tufts University, USA. Consuming at least one serving of blueberries or strawberries per week reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease by 23%. Fiber helps lower cholesterol-soluble fiber found in oats, beans, and whole grains, has the ability to absorb excess cholesterol in the digestive tract and remove it from the body. Research from Harvard University. Adding just 10 grams of fiber per day can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 14%. For example, a bowl of oatmeal topped with chia seeds and banana provides about 10 grams of fiber, enough to help your heart function better. Reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and blood pressure. According to a 20-year study by Harvard University, a plant-based diet reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease by 32%. At the same time, plant foods rich in potassium and magnesium, such as bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, help maintain stable blood pressure, reducing the risk of stroke and heart attack. Enhance vascular function. Green vegetables such as kale and spinach contain natural nitrates, which when entering the body are converted into nitric oxide, a compound that dilates blood vessels, improves circulation, and reduces pressure on the heart. Research from Stanford University: plant-based diet reduces stroke risk by up to 25%. For example, a kale salad, topped with walnuts and lemon vinaigrette, is not only delicious but also effective in protecting the vascular system. The heart is not only the center of life, but also a reflection of overall health. Every time you choose a healthy meal, you are sending your heart a loving message that it deserves to be protected and cherished. 3. Risks from processed foods. While a whole food plant-based diet offers remarkable benefits, processed foods are one of the biggest enemies of heart health. Processed foods such as cakes, snacks, and fast foods contain large amounts of saturated fat and trans fat, which cause atherosclerosis, increase bad cholesterol, LDL, and decrease good cholesterol, HDL. WHO: consuming trans fats increases the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 42%. For example, a bag of potato chips can contain up to 10 grams of saturated fat, nearly 50% of the recommended daily intake for adults. High salt content in processed foods, such as canned soups, sausages, and instant noodles, increases blood pressure, a leading risk factor for cardiovascular disease. Refined sugar in soft drinks and sweets causes insulin spikes, promoting visceral fat accumulation, which negatively affects the vascular system. WHO: daily sugar intake should not exceed 10% of total calories, equivalent to 50 grams of sugar, but a can of soft drink can contain up to 39 grams of sugar. For example, a fast food meal with a hamburger, fries, and soft drink provides more than 2,000 milligrams of salt, exceeding the daily recommended amount, 1,500 to 2,300 milligrams. Processed foods cause small, cumulative damages to your blood vessels that you may not immediately notice. Over time, this damage leads to chronic diseases like high blood pressure, stroke, diabetes, and heart disease. Research from Johns Hopkins University: daily consumption of processed foods increases the risk of atherosclerosis by up to 60%. Prioritize whole, minimally processed foods that are naturally rich in nutrients. Instead of snacking, eat nuts like almonds and walnuts. Instead of soft drinks, drink orange juice or green tea. Diet is one factor you can control to protect your heart. Choosing whole foods and limiting processed foods will not only help you live longer, but also live healthier and happier. Start today, because your heart deserves love. Suggestions for delicious, easy-to-make dishes. Honey-baked onions. Ingredients: onion, honey, a little salt, pepper. Making: peel the onion, cut it in half, brush with honey, and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Results: onions are soft and sweet, good for blood vessels thanks to the compound quercetin. Dish 2: green salad and seeds. Ingredients: spinach, kale, walnuts, lemon vinaigrette. Making: mix all ingredients and drizzle with vinegar. The dish provides many antioxidants which help protect the endothelium of blood vessels. Dish 3: chia seed oatmeal porridge. Ingredients: oats, chia seeds, nut milk, sliced banana. Making: cook oats with nut milk, add chia seeds and banana. Effective cholesterol-reducing food. 5. Dietary supplements for heart health. Dark green vegetables: kale, spinach, broccoli. Dark green vegetables are a natural source of nitrates, which help the body produce nitric oxide, a compound that dilates blood vessels, improves circulation, and reduces pressure on the heart. Kale is especially rich in vitamin K, which helps prevent calcification of the arteries, one of the causes of atherosclerosis. According to Oxford University, consuming 1 to 2 servings of dark green vegetables a day can reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 15%. Nuts, walnuts, almonds, flax seeds. Nuts are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, fiber, and vitamin E. Walnuts are particularly notable for their omega-3 content, which helps reduce inflammation and helps balance bad cholesterol, LDL. Flax seeds are rich in lignans and soluble fiber, which protect the endothelium of blood vessels and control blood pressure. Almonds contain vitamin E, which helps fight free radicals and protect blood vessels from damage. Loma Linda University found that eating 1/4 cup of walnuts a day can reduce the risk of heart disease by 20%. Fruit blueberries, oranges, pomegranates. Fruits are rich in antioxidants such as anthocyanins in blueberries, flavonoids in oranges, and punicalagin in pomegranates. These substances have the ability to reduce inflammation, prevent atherosclerosis, and improve blood circulation. Oranges provide vitamin C, which helps strengthen blood vessel walls. Pomegranates are notable for their ability to reduce plaque in the arteries, helping to protect the cardiovascular system. The University of California found that drinking 1 cup of pomegranate juice every day for 3 months can reduce arterial plaque by up to 30%. Whole grains, oats, quinoa. Whole grains are a rich source of soluble fiber, especially the beta-glucan in oats, which has the ability to naturally lower LDL cholesterol levels. Quinoa provides magnesium and complete plant protein, which helps relax blood vessels, reduce cardiovascular stress, and prevent hypertension. The American Heart Association asserts that daily consumption of whole grains reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease by up to 22%. Heart-healthy spices, turmeric, garlic. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and protects blood vessels from damage caused by inflammation. Garlic contains allicin, which helps lower blood pressure, balance cholesterol, and improve blood circulation. The University of Pennsylvania has shown that daily use of garlic can help reduce blood pressure by an average of 8 to 10 millimeters of mercury, thereby reducing the risk of stroke and other cardiovascular events. The heart is not only the center of our body, but also the seat of our strength and vitality. The information in today's video has shown us that heart health depends on simple daily choices. A whole food plant-based diet is not just a trend, but a practical, scientifically proven solution that protects the heart from the biggest risks, such as heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. However, bad habits like eating processed foods, consuming too much sugar, salt, or saturated fat can silently destroy your health. Over time, they accumulate small damages, narrowing blood vessels, and creating serious problems that we often only notice when it is too late. Stop, look at your plate, and ask yourself, is today's meal contributing to a healthier body? The choices you make today will determine the quality of your life tomorrow. Love your heart by building a healthy lifestyle, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and staying positive. If you find this video helpful, please support the channel by clicking like, share, and subscribe so we can continue to spread meaningful messages about health. Together, we can create a community of healthy, happy, and energetic living. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Always remember, every day is a new opportunity to love your body and heart more. See you in the next videos.